the soul of the canvas. Welcome back to Legendary Art Channel. Today, we aren't just watching paint move. We are watching a world breathe into existence. Before we begin, a moment of respect and full credit to the master artist behind this brush. They've taken a silent, white canvas and invited us to witness the birth of a landscape. Today's focus is the stone bridge. It is the intersection of human architecture and the wild, untamed flow of nature. It's a study of stillness versus movement. Let's strip back the layers and see how this magic is engineered. The journey begins with the atmosphere. Our artist picks up a large flat wash brush, dipped in a delicate marriage of titanium white and ultramarine blue. Notice the wet-on-wet technique here. By blending Payne's grey into the horizon, they create a mist of visual silence that makes the background recede. This is the breath of the painting. As the sky settles, they switch to a medium filbert brush with a heavy load of raw umber. They anchor the bridge. At this stage, it looks like a shadow, a ghost of a structure. This underpainting is the dark soul of the bridge that will soon support the light. Now, watch closely. The artist reaches for the palette knife. This is where the painting becomes tactile. They aren't just applying pigment, they are sculpting. By mixing yellow ochre, burnt sienna, and a touch of titanium white, they break the paint over the canvas. This creates that rugged, weathered texture of ancient stone. To bring in the element of time, they dabble in sap green and viridian. These aren't just colors, they represent the Morse and the age of a bridge that has stood for centuries. The contrast between the thick highlights and the deep, cool shadows of the arches gives the bridge its undeniable weight. As we move to the base, the artist addresses the water. Using a clean flat brush and horizontal strokes, they pull the colors of the bridge down into the river. It's a mirror, but a distorted one. The reflection is deeper, moodier, using ultramarine blue mixed with burnt umber. But watch the final touch, the liner brush. With surgical precision, they drop in ripples of pure titanium white. These are the high notes of the symphony. They represent light catching the water's surface, giving the scene a heartbeat. A quick dabbing with a sea sponge adds the soft, organic chaos of the surrounding trees. As the last stroke of light hits the keystone, the transformation is complete. To recreate this legendary look, you'll need titanium white, ultramarine blue, Payne's grey, raw umber, burnt sienna, yellow ochre, and sap green. For your toolkit, ensure you have a flat wash, a filbert, and a liner brush, alongside a palette knife and a sea sponge, all applied to a high-grade stretched canvas. Thank you for joining us for these 4 minutes of creation. The canvas is no longer empty. It's a memory. Stay inspired, stay creative, and stay legendary. We'll see you in the next one.